Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and on the display you're getting an ExH1 error and you're trying to figure out why am I getting this error and what do I need to do to remove the error or to fix the error. So first of all, what is the error? So this error basically means that the dryer is not getting the electricity that it thinks it's supposed to be getting from your power source. Now there's a couple rare reasons why this could be happening. For example, if you bought your dryer in one country and you're using it in another, the electricity protocols can cause this error. But if you bought it in that country, you need to check the electrical source. One, make sure you're not using an extension cord or anything like that, or you're not using a really long extension cord. You've got it plugged right into an outlet. And then you're going to need to check that outlet and make sure that you're getting the correct electricity to your dryer. Now, if you're sure that the problem is not external, that you're getting the correct electricity, then this error is probably just being, thrown up by a fried electronic control board that you'll need to replace within your dryer. And if that's the case, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a tutorial in terms of how to replace the control board in your dryer.